Hi guys, how are you? So today we have one of the boxes that is $10 a month, and this one is Birchbox. I have not received yet my Ipsy, but keep on watching because it's gonna come soon. So Birchbox actually comes in this box, and then you tear it up and you get the other one. And I don't think that I took a peek at it. I didn't. It's just that it came like this. I don't know if it's the UPS guy, the mail guy, I don't know what it is, but it has come several times either open or squished. And yes, so this one, it seems like partially squished, as you can see. Has like a little bend over here, but hopefully the box inside is okay. So let's open this, the part that is not already open, and see what came today. So you have an option with this box that you get to pick at the end of each month. So at the end of January, I will get a chance to pick one product out of the 5, or the 5 already custom products, or just a surprise. So you have 3 choices. And the one that I chose, this one is, I really like one of the lip balms that they had that actually changes color. So I know I chose that, but everything else is a surprise. So at the end of each month, you get to choose for the next month. So at the end of January, you will get to choose for February, and so on and so forth. So let's see. I can never open these things. Let me just rip it because I have no patience today. Okay, finally. So the box doesn't, well, yeah, look at that. Do you see? It looks all squished down. So the box is cute if it wasn't bent over there, but it looks like some kind of art. No really design. I like the Birchbox there. I like the colors. Wish that it wasn't squished. And when you open it, you have the little card that tells you about the products, and they don't tell you what is the sample size. They tell you the actual big, full size product is. So right there, if you guys want to see. Whoop. And let's put that aside and go over what the products came in. So the first product I'm seeing is the Rain. It's for blonde, so it's good because I have highlights, and it says reflects blonde highlights, and this is a conditioner, so I'm assuming there's a shampoo. So yep, here it is. This one is the shampoo and the conditioner. Even though it's a small sample, it's nice to have something for blonde hair. And it's not that I have actual blonde hair, but I have highlights, and you have to use a purple shampoo. So I don't know if this is gonna work or what this is for, but yeah, let's try it out. Let's see how my hair looks after. And I really like that little package. I love little containers like that. So I'm gonna put that on the side. The next thing is Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo, and this one I happen to have and is running out. It's another little sample that I got from another box, maybe even this box, who knows. And this one smells so good. It smells like perfume. So let me see. I don't want to spray too much. Miss Leia is here watching. She's like, what is this? You like the smell? Yes, yes. Look. Yes, she likes it. Yeah. Okay, okay. You're such a good girl. Okay. And it smells super good. So yeah, it's the same one that I have. So since the sample is running out, this is awesome. And the next thing that I see is the thing that I actually wanted, and is this little awesome thing, and it says Arrow Boost right there, and it says color enhancing lip balm. So basically you put it on your lips. It looks purple, and this reminds me of like things that I used to wear for when I was a little kid, and that you put it on your lips. I have nothing there, so you put it on your lips and it turns depending on the warmth of your lips, or I don't know what the formula is, but it tastes like a little bit like minty. So what do you guys think? I have no makeup, if you guys are wondering why. It's because later on I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial with whatever I got in my boxes, so keep on watching. This one I really like. So I like the color. It's very subtle. It doesn't, like, it's not too bright. It's like something that you can wear to the park, you know, take with you for moisturizing of the lips. So that's awesome. Then the next product is, I can see that it only has a little bit, but I have this before. It's Bioderma right there. And this one is actually for Sebum Pore Refiner. So this is always good. What I have noticed when you use this is that it smells so good. It actually makes your skin not oily, so it dries you up and it smells super good. So that's a plus. It smells like garden, very fresh. And then the last thing that I got is Real Chemistry Luminous 3-Minute Peel. And I had this before and I put it on my shower to use it. And yes, what I'm gonna tell you about this is that I don't know if this actually works or is it some component in this, but what I felt is that you wash your face and yes, it actually feels like there's like things coming off. So like they say that it's actually dead skin coming out of your skin, but I don't know if that's the truth or it's actually the product that becomes like granulated on your skin. So I don't know. But when I did take it off, which I took it off after the 3 minutes that they say that you have to take it off, your skin feels amazing. I mean, it feels like super soft instantly. So I don't know if it's something like the chemical that it has and it actually makes it like that, or it actually takes your dead skin away. And what it says is this is not a mask, clean skin and leaves lightly damp, spread gel thinly and quickly over your forehead, cheeks and chin and neck and décolleté, and quickly begin massaging these areas in circular motion for 15 to 20 seconds. And then you will see solid forms under the skin. This means that the peel is actively correcting and its gel is now combining with your dead skin. Yeah, so I don't know about it, but it actually works afterwards. Like I felt kind of gross touching that just because of the texture, felt weird, but afterwards your skin does look very soft and like it looks like you, I don't know, you took a layer of skin off. So this is it. Now let's go into reading the little card and seeing how much the actual products for a full size is. And then we have the Amica, which is the Perk Up dry shampoo. The full size is $25, and I know this is very expensive, but the smell and everything is super good. I don't like too much dry shampoo because on my hair, like on my roots especially, it looks like if I had powder, which is what the dry shampoos are made of. It's powder. So if you go like the old times, the way that they used to do, instead of dry shampoo, they used to put powder and put it on your head, and that absorbs the oil. So it says this weightless spray has the brand signature Oblique scent, and that's an awesome scent. It refreshes in seconds or third day hair. So it actually makes you look like you just wash your hair. And with rice starch and absorbs oil, boosts volume and enhances shine. So, and it smells awesome. So the next thing is the Boost Arrow, and this one is actually a full size, or it says, and it's Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm Berry Bust Beauty. So I like it. It's very subtle. This ultra hydrating formula may magically adjust to your lips pH to create a flattering deep pink hue that's unique to you. So yeah, so it seems that it is full size. I don't know. The next one is Bioderma. This one, the full size is $19.90. And this one is Sebum Pore Refiner. This ultralight formula combines with shine and minimalizes the appearance of pores thanks to the astringent like agaric acid. Apply all over or to oily areas after cleansing. So then the next one is chlorine And basically you have the shampoo, which the full size is $15, and then you have a bonus this month that seems to be the conditioner, which full size is $20. So it says brings out your blonde with this chamomile shampoo that rids hair of residue and adds loads of shine. And for the conditioner, it says treats your natural oil color treated blonde locks to the chamomile infused conditioner for a boost in hydration and shine. So the last one, which is the Real Chemistry, the full size is $48. So yeah, apply this gentle acid-free peel to clean dry skin for a gorgeous glow. Massage in circular motions to exfoliate, then wash skin with a mild cleanser to remove. So I mean, you cannot expect more from a $10 box, because usually in this kind of boxes is more on the skincare. But I really enjoyed it this time around. I like that I was able to choose this at least that I wanted, compared to other boxes that you have no choice. That's up to you. You have 3 options. You can do whatever you want. Let me know if you guys like this box, or if you have this box already, which one did you actually choose? If you got the completely surprise look, or if you actually got the one product out of the 5 that you chose, or you chose for the curated box. So let me know, and let me know if you like the samples that you got. I will see you soon, guys. Bye.